talk about three stocks, and if you look at all the three stocks, it's basically riding on descending wedge pattern. Simply because I think the market, especially on Monday, it actually went through some sell-off, and hence most of the stocks will actually form a descending wedge pattern. If you look at the first stock, Sarawak Oil Pumps, I think share price has actually corrected quite sharply to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level from the March 2024 high of 326 cents. Okay, but since then, I think share price has bounces back. I think a base has formed. And if you look at it, the candles has actually rebounded back above the 30-day and 50-day SMAs earlier this week. Okay, and in fact, if you look at yesterday, despite the broad market weakness, the share price actually broke out from the descending wedge pattern, even though the candles may not look that pretty, but essentially, basically, I think a base would have would be formed around current levels, at least above the 50-day SMA over the next few days before the next uplift unwind. So I think if a base is successfully built, then I think it will be positive for the stock in the medium term. Okay. Second stock is actually Eversentai. I think if you look at the price pattern, yeah, it's actually bounces back above or actually broke out from the descending wedge pattern as well. Share price further took out the 30-day SMA yesterday. So I think there is a good chance that the 50-day SMA may be challenged over the next few days. And I think if you look at it, once this moving average is taken out, well, we would expect the rebound from the recent low to continue. Okay. If you look at the price pattern, most likely after the 50-day SMA is taken out, there is a good chance that in the longer term, it may actually re-challenge the May 2024 high of 78.5 cents. The third stock is actually Ta'an Holdings. Similarly, I think the stock has been consolidated in the descending wedge pattern. Unlike the other twos, I think it is still trading below the resistance trend line. But if you look at the momentum, it has been on an upward trend. Share price also rebounded from its recent low, and it is now trading above all the key moving averages. Another white candle today could kickstart a new uplift because effectively another white candle would actually lift the candles above the descending wedge resistance, which will be seen as a prelude or precursor to more upside ahead. If you look at the indicators, the RSI indicator per se, it also supports our optimism of the stock because it is still on a rising trend and it has yet to reach the overbought territory.